You need to hear this if you're struggling with your fitness journey. Let's face it, folks. Starting a fitness journey is one of the most challenging endeavors one can undertake. Getting in shape is tough. It requires not just physical effort, but mental fortitude as well. It takes dedication, discipline, and a whole lot of sweat. The road to fitness is paved with obstacles and setbacks. Most people give up within the first month. They start with enthusiasm but soon find themselves overwhelmed. It's a sad truth, but it's the reality. The initial excitement fades and the grind becomes too much to bear. They start with the best intentions, but life gets in the way. Daily responsibilities and unexpected events can throw a wrench in even the best laid plans. Work, family, and just plain old procrastination can derail even the most determined individuals. It's easy to push workouts to the bottom of the priority list. But what if I told you there's a better way? A method that fits seamlessly into your busy life and keeps you motivated. A way to achieve incredible fitness results in just 30 days. Imagine transforming your body and mind in such a short period. A way to transform your body without spending hours in the gym or breaking the bank on expensive equipment. It's possible with the right approach. There is, and it all starts with a simple yet incredibly effective tool, the kettlebell. This versatile piece of equipment can be used for a variety of exercises. We're talking about a cast iron cannonball with a handle. It may look simple, but it's a powerhouse for building strength and endurance. This unassuming piece of equipment has the power to revolutionize your fitness journey. With the right guidance, you can achieve remarkable results. It's time to ditch the excuses and unlock your true potential. Embrace the kettlebell and see how it can change your life for the better. Everybody is looking for the ultimate fitness tool that can transform their body efficiently. Kettlebells are not your average dumbbells. They are uniquely designed to offer a dynamic workout experience. They're designed to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making each movement more efficient and effective. This means you get a full body workout in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional weights. These compact powerhouses are your secret weapon for unlocking strength, endurance, and a physique you'll be proud to show off. Imagine transforming your body with just one piece of equipment. Think of kettlebells as the ultimate all-in-one fitness solution. They combine cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into one seamless routine. No more wasting time switching between machines at the gym or struggling with complicated workout routines. Kettlebells simplify your fitness regimen. With just a few basic kettlebell exercises, you can target every major muscle group and sculpt a lean, toned body. From swings to squats, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of kettlebells lies in their versatility. They can be used for a wide range of exercises, making them suitable for any fitness goal. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, kettlebells can be adapted to your fitness level. They grow with you as you progress. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load as you get stronger. This progressive approach ensures continuous improvement and avoids plateaus. It's all about challenging yourself and pushing your limits one rep at a time. Embrace the journey and watch your body transform. This is why you need kettlebells. We've all been there staring at ourselves in the mirror, wondering how to start our fitness journey. You're finally motivated to get in shape, but then reality hits you like a ton of bricks. Gym memberships are expensive, your schedule is jam-packed with work, family, and social commitments, and the thought of squeezing into those spandex shorts fills you with dread. The good news is that kettlebells eliminate all of these barriers, making fitness more accessible than ever. They're affordable, portable, and can be used anywhere, anytime. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment. No more excuses about not having enough time or money for the gym. Kettlebells fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. With kettlebells, your living room transforms into your own personal fitness sanctuary. You can work out in the comfort of your own home. Imagine rolling out of bed and crushing a quick but effective kettlebell workout before your day even begins. No commute, no hassle. Or picture yourself squeezing in a sweat session during your lunch break, right in the comfort of your own backyard. Fresh air and fitness combined. Kettlebells make fitness fit into your life, not the other way around. They adapt to your schedule and your space. It's all about taking control of your health and well-being on your own terms. Feel empowered, energized, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So why wait? Grab a kettlebell and start your fitness journey today. Your future self will thank you.